Wild blueberry Clafoutis. Only 4 carbs. Let's make it. Wild blueberry Clafoutis. It's basically a custard pie with blueberries in it. We're going to take some real coconut cream, the thick stuff like this. You can see how thick that is. And it's going to be 3/4 of a cup, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 3 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of sifted almond flour, 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol, 2 teaspoons of real vanilla, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to whip this up. Okay, that's nicely blended. I've greased a pie plate with butter, and I'm going to put blueberries, 1.5 cups of blueberries. The recipe for this clafoutis is in the notes below. If you just click on show more, that's where it is. I couldn't find wild blueberries, so I have to use regular blueberries. 1.5 cups. Just arrange them on the bottom like this. Pour your mixture in. There we go. I've got this preheated to 350 degrees. Indirect heat here, heat on this side, and no heat in the center. Or you can cook in the oven. It's going to go on for 40 to 50 minutes, but it's kind of windy today, so I'm going to check it. This blueberry clafoutis took exactly 45 minutes to cook. I took a slice out, and I put a little whipped cream and some blueberries on the top. 4 carbs per serving, that's a serving. Thanks for watching.